Hello, my name is Danny Paneri, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use domesticshelters.org to find organizations near you and what to do if you know someone who's being abused. Domesticshelters.org deals specifically with domestic violence organizations. So, if you are experiencing abuse, this is the link to click. If you know someone who's being abused, this is the link to click. Under this link, they have a really awesome toolkit that shows you all about how to be a better friend to someone in a domestic violence situation. But today we're going to focus right here on this search bar. You can type in your address, you can type in a nearby address, you can type in a zip code. So let's type in a zip code. And as soon as it loads, it'll take you to this page. There are 4 pages worth of organizations that are locally known to help domestic violence victims. So you'll see that there are 2 phone numbers under almost every one of these little blocks here. And that's usually because the business line is more for things like donations and questions about the organization, whereas the hotline is more for things like emergencies, calling in tips, being a witness to things, getting general information about how to help someone in a domestic violence situation. They have a 24-hour hotline and an emergency shelter options up here. So if you need a 24-hour hotline but not an emergency shelter, you can retype in. And this organization and all of these organizations have 24-hour help hotlines. If you're looking specifically for emergency shelter, do the same thing. And that is how you use domesticshelters.org. I encourage you to explore the website because there's a lot on it that can really help you or help someone else in need.